In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a refund using Intuit's QuickBooks. This process is straightforward and with a little guidance, you'll be able to manage refunds with ease. First things first, we need to navigate to QuickBooks. It's important that you're logged into your account, so check that you have access before proceeding. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, it's time to find the New button. This is typically located on the left sidebar. Clicking New gives you access to a variety of actions you can take regarding your transactions, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Refund Receipt. This option is crucial when processing customer refunds as it provides an organized record for your books. Having clicked on Refund Receipt, we then progress to specifying who the refund is for. You'll choose the customer from the provided list. It's vital to ensure you've selected the correct customer to avoid any complications in your records. Misplaced refunds can cause issues down the line, so take a moment to verify the details. Next, we'll move on to how the refund will be processed, and that's where the credit card option comes in. If the original transaction was made via credit card, it's appropriate to refund using the same method. After selecting the payment method, you need to click Refund From. It's a simple yet significant action to verify that the refund is being issued from the right account or source. Now choose your desired account, which is often the bank sample USD. This ensures that the funds are deducted from the right place and keeps your financial statements accurate. A common choice for transactions in US dollars, this account option is ideal for tracking where and how funds move around. Once you've selected the bank, focus your attention on the services selection. This allows you to categorize what the refund pertains to, whether a returned product, unfinished services, or any other potential scenario. Next, enter the refund amount. Accurately input the specific dollar value. Attention to detail here prevents discrepancies and ensures the customer receives exactly what they are owed. It's always a good idea to double check the figures at this point to maintain precision. Finally, after all the details are correctly filled out, click on Save and New. This final step ensures the refund is registered and you're ready to process the next transaction if needed. This also safely archives the transaction for future reference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're making sure that your customer service remains top-notch and your accounting records accurate. Remember, consistency and attention to detail are your best friends in accounting. Keep these traits in mind, and you'll handle QuickBooks with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.